What does pumping your earnings back into Etsy look like? How can you invest your money into your Etsy stores? So investing money into your Etsy stores can be for a numerous amount of things. The biggest thing really is stock. So if you have bulk stock, you use a third-party logistics company, a 3PL, or potentially your own warehouse. That's just essentially pumping it back into your Etsy store, right? You're pumping it back in. Stock requires a decent amount of capital, so this is a big part. It's a big part, right? The main reason really is just like pumping it back more into ads to gain your store more momentum, to just capitalize on the profit later. Because if you just have more sales and more reviews, you're going to get more sales and more reviews at a later date from organic. It's pretty much how Etsy works if you're following the correct kind of method. So if you just keep pumping it back in, then you are going to make more money at a later date. Super simple, it's kind of basically how it works. There are other methods as well, things like Shopify. Like if you want to go down the Shopify route, this is going to cost you money to obviously test new products and stuff like this as well. And then also pumping it back in. Stores, they're not a big expense, but like a few $100 to actually get your store up and running. So pumping it back into your Etsy store and your Etsy business is just about creating more and more stores as well. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.